My Ruby Coulis. A blender with a high-powered motor is required to achieve the best result for this recipe. Half cup of coconut cream with its pure white color. 2/3 cup of raw beet, or featured ingredient, the inspiration for the Ruby metaphor. 30 grams of vanilla protein powder to help getting lean muscles. Stevia to taste. Unify thoroughly until everything becomes one. Give it a shake as needed. Transfer the Coulis Ruby in an appealing dessert bowl. This deep-colored treat can be refrigerated before serving. Top it with a spoonful of white coconut cream for a lactose-free version. Optionally, to create a cake-like dessert that is super healthy and more filling, choose 2 slices of any soft bread of your choice. This time, I use a low-gluten bread. It varies from time to time. It would be your substitute for a sponge cake or an alternative cake-like. Let the bread become softer and moister by absorbing the Thuy Coulis Ruby. Let's make a 2-layer cake. Are you ready to fully enjoy it, guilt-free? Either you can cut it in wedges or eat it like this. In French, we say Bon appétit. In Vietnamese, mời các bạn ăn ngon. In baby language,